How to clear Safari history on iPhone and iPad. If you want to clear your Safari history on your iPhone or on your iPad, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings, you need to scroll all the way down and you'll find apps. You need to tap on apps and then you need to go with search apps, and here you need to search for Safari. Once you find, you need to tap on Safari, and after that you need to just scroll down a bit and you will find an option of clear the history. So here you will have clear history and website data. You need to tap on it and then go with clear history, but before that make sure to select the timeline or the time frame. Go and select last hour or today and yesterday, or if you want to delete all of your history, you can go with all history, and then you need to go with clear history, which will be on the bottom, and it will clear all of your history. That's how you can clear Safari history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.